What's up guys, Dope Oxide here, back with another video. So this video will be a bit different. I'm down in a holiday house right now and just on holidays here, and I just want to have a different format to get you guys some content pieces, better than nothing I guess. So this video will be more about what I'm thinking next few, like what's going to happen in the next few weeks for Bitcoin and altcoins at least, and just what I'm thinking about the general market. So first of all, I want to cover you guys a tool I've been using to, I guess, get a better awareness of when the top is coming in for Bitcoin. And this is the CBBI indicator. So first of all, what this really is, it's pretty much just an aggregate of different data points people like to use for top signal indicators. So it uses data from Pi Cycle, the MVRV risk Z-score, 2-year moving average, the Puel multiple indicator, and others. So basically what it does is it aggregates all the top signal indicators into one, and it outputs a number which is sort of like the confidence level of when the top is in. So as you can see right now, we're at 79, and every time a cycle top has happened, the confidence has actually hit over 95. So as you can see, back in November 2013, we hit 98. 2017 was 100. It's saying 100. And 2021 in February was 98. So just by looking at alone, I really think that we're way off a top cycle, like for the top. So currently we're sitting at 83 for the 106, actually about 106k all-time high, and we're currently sitting at 79. So we're 20 points away. In my opinion, when it comes to like taking profits specifically for your Bitcoin bags, because obviously altcoins tend to top earlier or later. For Bitcoin at least, we're at least a few months away. I suspect we probably have another flush in the next week or so, and that'll be sort of our daily cycle low, and then we'll make our new highs for Q1 at least. So yeah, when it comes to like top cycles, etc., I think you guys should really have a look at this. This is definitely one of my indicators I look at when it comes to what I should be like looking at when it comes to top indicators. And yeah, so that's, I guess, my opinion. Yeah, so next few weeks we'll probably see a flush, and then we'll probably make our ways to all-time highs and more. Another thing to look at is also liquidations. So I guess another reason why I suspect we probably have another flush is if you look at the 24-hour liquidation heat maps, we have a lot of liquidity to liquidate at the lower levels. So as you can see here, like at 94k range, we have a lot of money and liquidity to flush. So I would not be surprised. Like everyone's calling for 88 to 89k, but I reckon that will probably get like front runned. So we'll probably end up only going to like 93k range in my opinion, and Q1 is when we actually see all-time highs broken, especially for Ethereum. I think Ethereum's time to shine will be Q1. Reason being is, which I covered in my previous videos, Ethereum tends to like outperform about 2 months after Bitcoin's all-time high parabola run, and that's actually due for early January. So I think January is when we actually start seeing life come into Ethereum, and then Q1 is when it really starts breaking all-time highs. Another thing is liquidation heat maps. We haven't really had like large liquidations the past 24 hours. It's been quite neutral, a bit more shorts, but I suspect this week at least we'll probably have a 250 mil plus 24-hour wreckage, and it will most likely be for the shorts. Because we'll actually, to be honest, probably both. We might have a flush in the longs, and then shorts again, and then we'll have a short squeeze making new all-time highs. So yeah, I guess that's just a TLDR and what I think for Bitcoin. Now let's get right into like base chain specifics. So first of all, for base chain at least, for net flows, the past month has been massive and huge for us for base chain. We've had a $1.4 billion inflow, and compared to Solana, it's nearly double. If you look at the past 3 months, we've like easily flipped base flipped Solana the past 3 months. I think like a month ago, Solana was actually in front, and now Base is finally in front. I think year to date we're probably still behind. Actually, no, we're in front now as well. So yeah, so when it comes to like the base chain thesis, it's still intact. I still think we're setting up to at least like a 10x in TVL and volume metrics, and as well as Ethereum's like going to do well in Q1, I think base chain will do even better. Reason being is, prerequisite for base chain to do well is you need a house money effect from Ethereum holders down to base chain, because they want to look for high betas. So I really think that Ethereum in the next 2 months will be at all-time highs, and will probably be like having a massive net money inflow within the Base ecosystem. And that's why I want to cover you guys like different coins, because generally like if an ecosystem is going to do well, example Base chain, all you really have to do is throw a dart and you'll probably make money. Like if a chain does really well and there's money just flooding into that chain, generally like 99% of the coins will do well. But obviously you want to find sort of like the number one coins of different slices, niches of the Base chain ecosystem. So that's why I've been covering guys these specific coins. So I guess when it comes down to like AI kind of stuff, obviously Virtual is the leading coin AI. But in my opinion, I think AI is getting a bit overheated. I'm not saying it's a macro top or whatever, but I think when it comes to local tops, I think like Virtuals, the ecosystem, and AI in general on Base will probably see a top in the next few weeks or so, and I would not be surprised we see a rotation to other ecosystem plays. It doesn't necessarily mean like, because I'm referring to Virtuals because it's the number one AI token on Base, but it doesn't mean it just nukes from here. I think we'll probably see like a massive accumulation range once the local top gets hit. So example, what I would probably like to see happening, because to be honest, like when a local top comes in and AO has its next run, Virtuals will probably hit $10 plus then. So let's assume we probably have another spike up to like the $4 range. I would not be surprised Virtuals and the AI ecosystem in general has a massive accumulation range where we just go sideways for a bit, and probably till like March, around March, which is about 2 to 3 month accumulation range, which is something I'd like to see where we actually breaking new all-time highs. If you see other like tokens in the past on Base chain at least, when they made massive new highs like 10x's plus, their accumulation ranges after that tend to be like 2 to 3 months long. So I would not be surprised Virtuals do something like this. Obviously it doesn't have to look exactly the same, but basically what I'm thinking is Virtuals will probably local top here soon, and then a new accumulation range will be formed, and I'll probably call out you guys when it comes to like when you guys should be investing in these AI tokens. But right now I'm staying away. I think it's looking overheated. Time will tell, see how it is. But yeah, so I guess when it comes to other tokens like AlienBase, I think when it comes to risk to reward, and like I've been saying for accumulation ranges wise, I think AlienBase is in the prime spot position right now. Reason being is AlienBase is at, I think it's 62% from all-time high, which is a great point for me. I like to purchase tokens and accumulate them when they're 60 to 80% down from all-time highs. So AlienBase is at 62% right now. Another thing is too, it's actually been in this accumulation range for nearly 60 days now. So I would not be surprised AlienBase probably breaks out of his range in about 30 days or so, especially if Ethereum starts breaking out and Base chain in general starts getting massive inflows because of that house money effect. So yeah, so that's a little quick point on AlienBase. Toshi is another one. Toshi is the leading meme coin on Base when it comes to a fairly launched token, as well as an OG meme coin on Base, because Toshi is pretty much the first meme coin on Base. So as you can see here, it's back in accumulation ranges. I drew this rectangle ages ago, but this is a good spot to accumulate, and I really think that Toshi will start getting listed on the major tier 1s in Q1, Q2, especially Coinbase. I think Toshi, out of all the meme coins, probably have the best chances of getting listed in Coinbase, which will just increase its momentum. And yeah, so I don't want this video to go too long, so I'm probably just going to cover all these coins. But yeah, so when it comes to, I guess, the Base chain thesis and what I think, I'm really bullish. I think Q1 is the time for Base chain ecosystem tokens to do 5 to 10x's. And when it comes to like time and investing, I think you guys should definitely be accumulating now. Now's the best time because everyone's on holidays and volume is dropping off. A lot of the smaller coins have pretty much died on its ass, but that's when you should be purchasing. Example, AlienBase. AlienBase has been on a downtrend since its all-time high in November, and I really think that it'll probably break out in the next 30 days or so. I did a write-up in my Dope Pass group chat, but I guess I can do a quick analysis for you guys. So for AlienBase at least, the main reason why I'm quite bullish is AlienBase has just closed on a daily divergence. So as you can see here, if you look at the price, let me just chart it up. If you look at the price, so that it's made a lower low on the daily, but it's made a higher high on the RSI, which is a pretty good bottoming formation. And I would not be surprised we don't see less than 20 cents from here on out. I guess that's confirmed once we get above like 25 cents or so, and that pretty much just confirms the trend has been broken, because we also have to break this major trend line, which started from here. So ideally we also break around the 24 cent level. So yeah, when it comes to accumulating AlienBase, I think now is the prime time. Obviously, do your own research, do your own due diligence. There's just my opinion, not financial advice. But yeah, I think that's all to the video. Basically, TLDR, Bitcoin's set to make new all-time highs. I suspect will probably be like 120k plus in Q1. Ethereum will probably be above 4,500 in Q1. In January at least, I suspect it'll be 4k plus. And I also think there'll be an AI coin rotation from base chain tokens into the more traditional stuff like meme coins and utility coins like DEX tokens. So yeah, that's all to the video, guys. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want me to cover any base specific tokens or just any topics in general. Sorry if the background looks pretty shit. It's just a little location I'm at. And yeah, so see you guys.